Hey, what's up, everybody? I just got out of my Douglas Crawford's class, and he was teaching us how to sort arrays by sound. So I wanted to make this little tutorial here. First, you just want to create like a button called, I'm just going to name it Go. And we're going to create a little script right here. You don't have to have text JavaScript there. But, so inside the script here, we're going to create a little audio context. And it's going to be called just new audio context, and then our array right here, we're just going to have 69, 23, 33, 1, 4, I don't know, 29, 21, 2, 3. So we need to sort this puppy out. And we're going to have an out array right here, which is, so first we need to loop through our array. And I'm going to use a little arrow function right here. And we need to create an oscillator. So we're just going to do the context of the audio context, and then we're going to call create oscillator just like that, and then we're going to have to have our frequency. This is very important. So the sorting works, but the frequency value is going to be like whatever the array value is right here plus 125. And we need to connect this oscillator to a destination, and that's going to be our audio context's destination. And then for the oscillator again, we need to start this puppy from the current time, just like that. And then when we stop it to get the end time of it, we need to get the current time plus the array value, which is n, and then we're going to do times 0.01. That's where the magic happens. And then another part where the magic happens, 2.0, is right down here where we do the little callback on ended function right here. And right down in here, so this is where the magic happens. So, the out variable up there, so we can push in whatever array value is right there. And then we could do like if out length equals array length, then that means basically so are done sorting, so we can echo that out. So I think I got everything right. Okay, so let's save this puppy and then come up here and refresh. Missing initializer in const. Let me see. In line 4. Oh, I forgot the equal sign. Okay, so let's refresh here. And then now, if we click on this, it'll create an oscillator. And sound warning, it might get loud. Let's go. Oh, fuck, go is not defined. Oh my gosh, I'm such a noob. Okay, so function go. Okay, we need to wrap this into go. Hell, what? How did I forget that? What the fuck is wrong with me? Okay, so let's save this. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, let's go. Oh, dude, the array got sorted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 21, 23, 29, 33, 69. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Woo.